Are you a researcher tired of juggling a dozen different tools? Meet the SciSpace Research Agent, an AI assistant made just for scientists and students. With SciSpace, you can search for papers, review literature, draft proposals, and even write full manuscripts, all from one easy-to-use interface. No more hopping between websites or apps. SciSpace is connected to over 150 academic tools and databases, so it's packed with everything you need for research and science communication. Whether you need to find articles, analyze data, or follow journal guidelines, SciSpace handles it all. SciSpace offered these features separately. Now with the SciSpace Agent, you get an all-in-one research powerhouse. Just type your questions or task into the SciSpace homepage. The agent will get to work searching, reading, analyzing, and writing while you watch its progress step by step. Here are just a few things SciSpace can help you with. Systematic literature reviews done automatically and clearly. Drafting manuscripts that fit your journal's rules. Searching for patents or checking prior art. Finding grants and even drafting proposals. Scientific poster and presentations. Data visualizations. Peer-reviewed guidance. Research paper discovery. There are so many things that you can do with this agent. So if you want to spend less time on repetitive work and more time making discoveries, try the SciSpace Research Agent today. And make sure to watch this video till the end, as I have some interesting use cases using SciSpace. So the first thing that you're going to do is join SciSpace using the provided link in the description. And hey, I've got a coupon code for you. Just comment and write about your research area, and I'll be happy to provide you a coupon code which could give you about 40% discount. Offer ending soon, but anyhow, let's dive in. So after you log in, you're greeted with this. We're not going to look at this SciSpace and different tools that we have here, but instead we're going to go ahead to SciSpace Agent, which combines all the tools and gives you a very powerful single tool. Let's go. So let's try to create a complete paper using this prompt. So write a research manuscript on the topic this. Use APA 7th edition style. Use the Prisma style for systematic literature review. That's a very huge task for any agent because it needs to go through hundreds of different papers and filter them out. Then we need to put in search terms, inclusion exclusion criteria, summary table of studies, and synthesize finding, and make sure to align the items with the Journal of American College Health. And that is a major task for any sort of a research manuscript, and especially with the systematic literature review. It does consume a lot of tokens to get this thing running. So let's see how it's able to do this. So first it goes ahead and creates the to-do list, so which is basic for every agent nowadays. Is going through different Google Scholars, PubMed Advanced, and is going through different kinds of information on the internet and finding out different research papers that is likely to help in coming up with this paper. And you can see that it's downloading the full text papers as well. Next, it's preparing the text file, which is LaTeX file, and then it's creating the manuscript. And then we have the entire PDF version on the right. So let's look in depth what steps did it take. So when we first put in the prompt, it first created this to-do list. This is a to-do list, and you can see the tick marks at the end of the completion. You can see the tick marks here because this to-do list is completed now. You can see the files here. Now these are all the files which has been created / downloaded. So all these PDFs file has been downloaded because these are different research papers based on which this comprehensive systematic review has been done. The code, the agent has created these text files, TEX files, which are LaTeX files, and you can see that introduction, discussion, conclusion, and all these are combined to form the main text file. So the main text file uses the different text files. For example, it uses the introduction, it uses the methods, results to give you the complete output. Now, as you can see, these are the steps on the left, and I have asked it a few different follow-up questions to keep the entire thing as a Word file. So it gave me the Word file as well. But once we have all these files, you can download these files. For example, you can download this main.tex file. Click on this download button and I can download this file. Okay, so I've downloaded all these files. And I went ahead to overleaf to show you how this LaTeX file can be combined to form the report. So we take all those LaTeX file and put it here, and then you go to the main.tex file, and once you recompile this, you're going to see the complete PDF file. So you can see this is the entire PDF file. We have about 43 pages of this PDF file. This is a complete report ready for submission. You do have to look at the plagiarism report and the AI percentage report, because we need to keep that within say less than 10%. So for checking the AI report, you do have the same feature here. You can go to SciSpace, and the SciSpace we can see that we have this AI detector tool. You can go to this AI detector tool, you can upload your PDF, and you can click on analyze. So this will give you a report of the percentage of AI that is available in this paper. So you can see that initially I had 82% AI detected. So this paper had 82% of AI, which is detection, which is very huge. And then I was able to reduce this to 32% by rewriting some or many of the sentences which were caught by this AI detector to have the AI percentage here. So how did I do that? You can go to other free tools, but there is this paraphraser where you can put in your sentence here and it can ask it to paraphrase, and this will reduce basically this will humanize the content here. So another example that I would like to show you is this. Another example is I can search for an exhaustive prior art and patent landscape. For this tool, you can search for all the databases and prepare a heat map. So this is another activity that is very easy to do using this SciSpace tool. You can go to any output that it provided here, just click on here and you can go to the files here. So you can see that this is the patent portfolio strategy. Then we have the patent opportunity matrix, and then we have the patent filling heat map, shows different patents which were filled and accepted, or shows different patent activities and different patents which were granted for different years, and it segregates based on the different countries. So this is another example of a patent search. Now here is another paper. You can give in the entire contents that we have created. So I give it the codes that I've created and just a draft paper that I've written. It goes ahead and then creates the entire paper for me. So if you go to files, you can see that we have the entire thing here. You can download this complete LLM mental health here, and you can just download this doc file. You can download this doc file which needs some activities for AI percentage check and plagiarism check, and then it's ready for submission. Thanks for watching. If you are ready to do smart work instead of hard work in your research, the SciSpace Agent is your new best friend. I even showed this to my friend who is doing her PhD, and she was thrilled by how much time it could save her. Don't forget, comment below with your research area to get an exclusive 40% discount coupon on the purchase of SciSpace Agent's add-on credits. This video is proudly sponsored by SciSpace, and I'm genuinely glad to see tools like this making research faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you found this useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.